Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase and boost the traffic to your website. So I will be covering the homepage, the contents, the Google Business Profile and backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button over here. You have the email address, links to your social media accounts. You have very nice visuals, a brief intro of the company, links to the back pages of the different services that you provide, a little bit of a gallery over here, and the type of services. I also saw your service areas down here and the footer. So overall, it is a well laid out homepage, provides a lot of information to your potential customers. Now, in terms of the content or things that you could do to just to make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you, perhaps just add the contact us form at the top. So just to make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of content, right now your front page has 538 words, and just remember that everything that you have in your homepage is considered content. So let's have a look at how you're saving your images. Looks like it's a keyword with this text. Perhaps you could look at removing this text and just target specific keywords, by your intent keywords. And now the content is important because Google likes to see content, because through content, Google can understand what the websites are about. So to be optimized for Google, you want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And it also helps you push through more relevant bio intent keywords. What I mean by that is that I came here to the Google search and I type in sprinkler system Houston, and the first section that you always see is the Google Ads, which is really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Flip side is that it can be expensive if it's not done correctly, and some people just turn them off in their browsers or they skip the whole section. Now the second section is the Google Maps. This section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic, so having a massive impact on businesses. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp. And the details on those directories, such as name, address, and phone number, need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section is the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your competitors. Here we have JB Irrigation, and then we have Houston Landscape Pros. So to rank here, you first need a website that is correctly built in terms of content, security, and responsiveness, and you also need something that we call backlinks. So I have a tool called Ahrefs that allows me to analyze the backend of a website, and right now I am looking at your website and I can see that there are no backlinks. If I have a look at JB Irrigation and Services, these guys have 186 external websites directing traffic through 685 backlinks. And if I have a look at Houston Landscape Pros, these guys have 10 external websites directing traffic through 24 backlinks. And a backlink is just that. A backlink is a link on another website that is pointing towards your website, or in this case, towards their website, that is directing the traffic to directing the traffic to this particular website. And it's the mechanism that Google has to identify which are the websites that are the most relevant ones. And so therefore, it's not only about having more more backlinks, but quality backlinks. So if those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to your services, then Google has algorithms to verify this, and it's going to give you extra points. It would be completely different story if that backlink were sitting on a pizza or like a Papa John's, things like that type of website. Now, the other section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. So your website is not being found for any organic keyword. These guys are ranking for 846 keywords. And in here, you can see that a sprinkler repair Houston is searched for 350 times per month. And because they are ranking on the first position, they are able to get 119 visits. This is an estimate. So basically this view is telling me what are those keywords that this website is ranking for, the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position in the organic search. this website is appearing. So for example, a sprinkler system Houston is searched 100 times per month, and because they're on the first position, they get an estimate of 37 visits. So here, what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume. So for example, a sprinkler system repair Houston, because those are the ones that you want to have in the content or in the website, so that Google can find you for those. Then you build a backlink profile so that you can rank at the top, and then it means that your website is going to be in front of more potential customers more often, and then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to call you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So please feel free to use this information to improve the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.